Welcome to ContentRyte platform once again. In this video, let's see how you can easily use our article wizard to write any type of content in just a few clicks from scratch. This is the entire wizard options you can configure one by one to get a perfectly crafted article. Enter your article topic in the field provided. Write down the keywords here for your article. Click this button to generate new keyword suggestions. Click Generate Keywords to create relevant keyword options. Select any keywords you like to auto-insert into Article Wizard. Pick related keywords from here. You can pick multiple related keywords for your article. Click to proceed to title generation. Click this button to generate new title suggestions. Click Generate Title to create optimized title options. Click the number of title field to set options. Select the number of titles you want generated. Click Generate Title to create your title options. Select the title that best fits your article. Click to continue to meta description generation. Click this button to generate new meta descriptions. Click the number of meta description field and select how many meta descriptions to generate. Click Generate Meta Description to create your options. Select the meta description that works best for SEO. Click to proceed to outline generation. Click this button to generate new article outlines. Select how many outlines you want generated. Click Generate Outline to create your article structure. Select the outline that best fits your content goals. Click to add images to your article. Type keywords to search for relevant images. Click Search to find matching images. Select the image you want to use. Click Add to Article to insert the image. Select the language for your article content. Choose the tone that matches your brand voice. Select your desired article length for optimal depth. Click Generate Article to create your full content. Review the generated article sections below. Review the first section and word count. Continue reviewing all generated sections for quality. Check the total word count to ensure completeness. Scroll to review the complete article content. Click Save Content to store your article. Click Copy HTML to use in other platforms. Select all articles to view your saved content. As you can see, the status of article, not pushed, but ready to push whenever you want. Click on your article to continue publishing. Select New Post to prepare for WordPress publishing. Review your article title and content. And scroll to review all content before publishing. Click to manage your article categories. Choose the appropriate category for your article. Click Push to WordPress to publish your article. As you can see here, we selected the draft mode, which means the article will be pushed to your WordPress site, but not visible on main site unless you publish it from your WordPress dashboard from draft to published. Verify on your site to see the article is present in WordPress dashboard, but not on the main website because of its draft status. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.